It is such a proud day for me, bringing my boys up here. It's a tradition, it's a brotherhood, it's a friendship, a sense of belonging, and the songs are all full of heart and the soul.
Rail contributes 1.39 billion to the Welsh economy, and we're really proud to be a part of that. We run 30 services a day between South Wales and London, and we've increased that in recent years as well. So we know it's really important, not just because of the economic link between the capitals of Wales and England, but also because of all the fantastic tourism opportunities people have.
All we knew is that we wanted to give Wales a louder voice outside of Wales. So today, on our 10th year, it's been an absolute pleasure to kick it off here. Away from Wales Week, of course, it's vitally important that we have that connection from Cardiff into London. GWR as a partnership for us for Wales Week has just been phenomenal. They've been giving us coverage and allowing us to reach audiences that we wouldn't be able to reach. I'm hugely grateful for GWR, and particularly for doing things like this for us, which is just everything that Wales Week is about.